I'm out here at the Centennial Wireless store in Park West Plaza, and you can't miss me. All right, we got the van parked out front. Stop in, grab yourself a new phone. This is the weekend to do it. They're calling it the Blue Weekend. If you come in here, you set up 2 lines of service with Centennial, you're going to get a free netbook, 1 gig of RAM, 160 gigabytes of storage, Wi-Fi compatible, webcam. This thing is amazing. You get that just for setting up 2 lines with Centennial. You set up 3 lines, you get a little bit more. 4 lines, even more. You get 2 free netbooks with 4 lines. With 5 lines, 2 free netbooks, 2 free air cards, which are $40 a piece. All right, they're calling it the Blue Weekend. They're hooking you up with so many amazing things. It's amazing. They don't have people wrapped around the corner here. I'm serious. $499 phones? Are you kidding me? $19.99 for full QWERTY keyboard phones? That's out of this world. $9.99 for a touchscreen cookie. It's just the deals are out of this world. It's going on at Centennial Wireless in Park West. I'm going to be drawing names for the Grateful Shed in just a few. So get out here, drop your name in, and who knows, maybe walk away with your name being a finalist for the Grateful Shed. Oh, and grab yourself some Chipotle while you're out here as well. It's going on at Centennial Wireless in Park West Plaza on Jefferson. Look for the van. Can't miss it. Stop in, say hello. Jason checking in one last time. For the home of rock and roll, Rock 104.